Do you love camping,
Yeah!
but hate eating roadkill?
Huh?
Then I got the perfect recipe just for you. Alrighty, so first things first, we're gonna grab our favorite knife and cut up 2 lovely bell peppers. It should look like this. And set it to a side. We are then gonna use half of an onion and chop it into 4s. After that, we're gonna slice up some vegetables to make your pea stank and slice up some lemons for that flavor. We're then gonna grab the smallest and the cutest of all potatoes and stab them. But why, Felix? Why? Because, Mr. Potato, to cook you evenly. We are then gonna spread out our veggies and lather them up with olive oil, lemon pepper, garlic salt, some more pepper, and some more salt. After that, we're gonna mix it with our hands and open up the sausage.
Get out! Oh, I broke it. No! I broke the wiener. You know what? I gotta cut it open. This is so bad. Die!
After we're done chopping up the wieners, we're gonna cut up 4 boneless chicken thighs in half. We are then gonna sprinkle the same seasoning we used before right on top of that chicken and start forming our kabobs. Yay! Get it, John! Get it, John! Alrighty, so first things first, we're gonna put the potato, bell pepper, onion, sausage, asparagus, chicken, potato, bell pepper, onion, sausage, asparagus, chicken, lemon, and last but not least, the potato. We're then gonna cook those kabobs for this many minutes.
Look at that baby. Don't she look good? It looks awesome. I'm so hungry. Dang, man. This thing gonna make you smile. Dang, that's good. That lemon pepper chicken. That is purple!
Purple potato.
What? I've never seen that before. Look at that color. Wow. Got the whole rainbow on here. We got purple, yellow, brown. That's delicious. Y'all gotta try this one. Y'all ain't gonna regret it. It's good, man.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and have a great day. Peace!